Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up, way up. I'm feeling way up. I appreciate all the likes and the positive comments I have been getting under my videos. I have been working on some super exciting things, so please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on a thing. To all the moms on my channel who have been practicing and improving on their braiding skills, big up on yourself. It's never too late to learn, and a skill like this will always come in very handy. So I hope that you're all getting on well with your practices, and no matter how hard it might seem, never give up, because you will eventually learn it one day if you keep practicing. So someone made a request for a tutorial of this hairstyle that she saw on my Instagram page. So I decided to make this tutorial with my daughter because she also wants this hairstyle. I am using just one pack of braiding hair, and this hair is already stretched and ready to use. So is that the hairstyle that you want?
Yeah, I want this hairstyle.
What kind of hairstyle is that?
I just like how long the hair is, and I like this.
You like how it feels?
Yeah.
Maybe if you try to wrap it round in a bun, it will look better. Try wrap it round in a bun.
Okay.
Okay, go on. Okay, that's cute, but that's not what we're doing today, okay? We'll do that next time. When you're 18 years old, you can do it. You'll be doing your own hair by that time. Yeah? So when you're 18 years old, yeah, maybe you can do all that crazy stuff and go to school with all of that. I don't know. But, so this is a length braid that we're gonna use to do the cornrows. So we just basically took out the shortest pieces out of the pack, because I'm gonna put the short pieces at the back and maybe the longer pieces at the front. Stop acting silly, take it off. And I am using a color 4 which matches her hair perfectly, and I am not using the entire pack. There are 4 sections of braiding hair in this pack, and I am only going to use 2. And at first I wanted to use the 2 longer sections, but now I have decided to just keep it short. So the shorter sections of the braiding hair is almost the same length of our natural hair. So I am just going to braid it out to the end of our natural hair and leave the rest of the braiding hair loose so that I can have a fuller end result. As I am not using as much braiding hair at all, I don't feel that her hair needs as much braiding hair, as her hair is already full and I want it to look as natural as possible. So as you can see, I am only using 1 piece of hair for each row. And I will continue to slow the video down as I attach the braiding hair so you guys can get the hang of it. So if you're a beginner, please note that it is very important to get your parting right, because it's all about the parting. Once your parting is correct, everything correct. It turn up, it loud, it has a 1. So now that I am almost finished and it has a 1, yes, everything looking speechless, and this wasn't difficult at all. The hair is looking very lightweighted, and even though I didn't feed the braids in, it still looks so natural to me. So now I am using these benders to achieve some curls at the end. I usually wrap the braids around small pieces of newspaper, and the paper would dissolve in the hot water, and that would help to achieve much tighter curls. And I still use that technique because I am very old-fashioned, and back home where I am from in Jamaica, that was our curling technique for braids. And the reason I say back home where I am from is simple because I know a lot of Jamaicans who don't know about this technique. But if you guys want to learn more about this technique, I will leave a link below of the video I posted on YouTube about 4 years ago, whereby I was showing how to use this technique. So please go check that out after. I will leave the link below in the description box. So as you guys can see, I am using extra towels to protect my child from this hot water, because kids are very vulnerable around these things. As a matter of fact, I know a lot of adults who's afraid of the hot water process, and they too become very vulnerable and end up getting themselves burnt. But anyways, I don't need to keep this hot water on the braids for long. I just need to give them a quick dip, and I will try to dry out as much water as possible before letting go, as I don't want it to drip on her. So please guys, be extra careful with this process. So you guys can leave these to dry naturally or dry with a blow dryer. In this case, I will leave to dry naturally for about 5 minutes because I don't want the curls to be very tight. So if you're trying to achieve looser curls like these, just leave the water to drip out for about 5 minutes, because if you leave it to dry completely, the curls will become more tighter. So that's something for you guys to remember. Anyways guys, if you're interested in making your own hair care products at home, or you're on a weight loss journey, please check out my girl Laurice Lifestyle for some amazing tips and advice. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel below. Also, please don't forget to like and share this video, and please drop a comment down below. Finally, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next premiere. Up.